What's up? Welcome back. If you've watched any of the videos I put up lately, you'll know that I was recently gifted a large collection of old motorcycle magazines. And I mean, a large collection. It's really cool. I'm really happy to have it. It's really nice to be able to look up old bikes and just to be able to see, different benchmarks of history. So it's very cool, I think. Now, going through all those old magazines, I found that I have several duplicates. So as cool as they are, I don't need extra stuff hanging around. I have such little space as it is. So I thought to myself, why not do a subscriber giveaway? So I have several duplicates. So what I was thinking is that I'm right around 180 subs right now. So if I can get to 250, I'll give away one, and then when I get to 500, I'll give away another, and then when I get to 750, I'll give away another, and then once I hit 1,000 subs, what I'll do is, this is the year 1976, and we have February, March, April, June, and July of 1976. So at 1,000 subs, I will give away 5 months worth of cycle in 1976. Now what I'll do is I'll just draw a subscriber at random. So all you got to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel right here, Doberkeet, and then go over to Instagram at Doberkeet and follow me there. And once we hit these benchmarks, I'll pull a subscriber at random, and you'll win a magazine. So I think it's pretty cool. These are nearly 50 years old, so cool little pieces of history. All right, subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll see you next time.